Do you like mysteries? I do. They're so fun. Where are the letters A, B, C, and D? Come, let's solve the mystery together. There are 4 letter A's in the garage. Can you point and say them with me? A, great work. So clever. You found the letter A. And now can you say and point to the letter B hidden in this garage? You are doing great. Excellent. You found the letter B. Where might letters C and D be? Can you point and say the letter C? C. You are on fire. You found the letter C. Let's point to and say the letter D. Fantastic work. Wow, you are a champ. You found the letter D. Wow, you solved the mystery. I'll AB, see you later.
Follow Let's Go Vroom TV for more videos like this.